Hello everyone, my name is Nidish Narayanan and this is my final project for CS50 programming with Python. My final project is called NASTRAN F06 Parser and you'll see all my details regarding my GitHub username and EDX username, and this is being recorded on 7th of July 2026. I'll give you a brief description of my project. As the title suggests, it's a NASTRAN F06 Parser, which basically is a output file from a structural analysis done in NASTRAN, and the output file comes in a format of .f06. And basically the program parses through the output file and gives you the titles in the program file, and you can choose the output that you are looking for and just paste it on there, and it will give you the content right after the heading rather than going through the entire file altogether. This is like an automation which helps reduce the time and effort needed to analyze the results correctly. And for this program I have used Python to program it. The two important modules that I have used for this project are the assist modules with the system specific parameters and function, and regular expression module, which is RE. And let's go forward and see how the project or the program actually works. As I said, that there are two main modules that are used over here, which is this module and regular modules, and has a main function followed by 4 other functions. Let's go over here and start the programming with Python space final project py. So it asks for a file name, and let's say we give it a random file name which does not exist at all or does not have an extension. It will give an error saying that it's an invalid file name. And if we give a different file name, let's say if we give it a file name that has an extension that is other than .f06, it will give the same error saying that it's an invalid file name. And now if we give it a file name that has .f06 as extension, it still gives an error because there is no such file in the directory. And going forward, and if there is a file, let's say I put a file .f06. This is a file that exists in the directory and is a valid file name. So when I put enter into it, it will give me all the headings or the titles in that file or output file or F06 from the Nastran. There you go. That gives me all the headings over here. And now if I want to say, I want to see the forces in a bar element or C bar, I just copy this particular heading and input it as here and press enter. So it gives me all the forces in the C bar element. So which is highly efficient in terms of like automating the result visualization, and you don't have to go through the entire output file in this particular case. Hope this helps. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me in my GitHub or my YouTube. Thank you.